welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle, and when you're at the store, make sure you're scanning your items. That way you know what coupons and CRTs you have that will help make the deals better. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. First deal I have is on the 22-ounce Olay body wash. They are on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $20.97. Use the 5 off 3 Olay digital coupon, and you pay $15.97, get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta. We have 2 offers. The first offer will give you $2 back on each one, limit of 3. That means you get $6 back for that offer. And the second offer is $3 back when you buy 2. You'll be getting back $9 from Ibotta, making these 3 body washes just $2.97 or 99 cents each. The second deal I have is on the Old Spice body wash pumps, on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $19.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. The ad said we're supposed to receive, but I don't have it in my account. But if you get it, and you pay $15.98 and you get $4 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $7 back when you buy 2, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The 8.4-ounce Nivea lotion and the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 1, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 Nivea lotion and use the $2 digital coupon. You will pay $2.99 and get 3 back, making it free and 1 cent money maker. Or you can pick up 1 Eucerin lotion on sale for $4.99, pay $4.99 and get 3 back, making it just $1.99. If you have a $2 Eucerin tier pad coupon, use it with this deal, then you pay $2.99, get 3 back, making it free. My next deal is spend $25, get 8 back on any Aveeno facial care. Pick up 1 Aveeno moisturizing face cream priced at $14.79 and 1 Aveeno foaming cleanser priced at $10.99. These 2 will total $25.78. Use a $5 off Aveeno digital coupon. That will work on the face cream, and we have another $3 digital coupon that will work on the cleanser. I also have a 5 off 20 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $13, and you pay $12.78, get 8 back, making them $4.78 or $3.39 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Neutrogena makeup wipe. Pick up 2 wipes priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 6 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next facial care deal I have is on St. Ives. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 St. Ives exfoliants priced at $6.49. And with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.25. These 2 will total $9.74. Pay the $9.74 and you get 3 back, making them $6.74 or $3.37 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 2 CoverGirl eye pencils priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Use a $2 digital coupon and everybody received a $4 off CoverGirl Extra Care coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $6.58, get 5 back, making them $1.58 or 79 cents each. The 24-count Advil 200 milligrams coated capsule or tablets are on sale for $4.29, and when you buy 1, you get $1 back. Pick up 1, pay $4.29 and you get $1 back, making it $3.29. But if your store have these $2 pillies, you will pay $2.29, get $1 back, making it just $1.29. Select Crest toothpaste are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 3, you get $5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $14.97. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon and you pay $9.97, get 5 back, making them $4.97 or $1.66 each. My next deal is on the 5-ounce Bumble Bee tuna. They on sale for buy 2 get 2 free, and they are on the deal of buy 2 get $1 back. Pick up 4 and they are priced at $1.99. because their buy two get two free, you'll be paying for just two. And the two will total $3.98. Pay the $3.98 and get $1 back, making them $2.98 or 75 cents each. The next deal I have is buy two get five back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner, and they are on sale for $5.29. Pick up two for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and get five back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next hair care deal is buy two get five back on any Garnier Fructis. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. They are priced at $5.59. The two will total $11.18. Use the 3 off 2 Fructis digital coupon and you pay $8.18, get 5 back, making them $3.18 or $1.59 each. Degree deodorants, they are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get $5 back. Pick up two priced at $6.99 each, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.50. These two will total $10.49. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.49, get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Fetch Reward for 1,000 points back on each one, and this is a limit of 5. That means you get back 2,000 points, which is almost $2. After the Fetch Reward and the extra care box, these two will end up costing just 49 cents or 25 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per week per account, but I have two options for you. The first option is to pick up one Gain detergent on sale for $9.99, one Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, two Febreze Air Mist on sale for $3.49 each, and one Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 5 items will total $29.95, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Check your app. We have a $3 off Gain coupon, a $2 off Downy coupon, a $3.50 off 2 Febreze coupon, and a $2 off Dawn coupon. These 4 coupons will take off $10.50, and you pay $19.45, get 10 back, making them $9.45, $1.89 each. The second option I have is to pick up one Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, 9 Mega Roll Charmin Essentials on sale for $8.99, and one Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These 3 items will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash, a $3 digital coupon for the Tide detergent, and a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin. The 3 coupons will take off $6, and you pay $23.97, get 10 back, making them $13.97 or $4.66 each. My next deal is spend 15 get $3 back. Pick up one Lysol air sanitizer on sale for $9.99. Pick up 2 Count Airwick scent oils on sale for $6.99. These 3 items will total $23.97. Use a buy one get one free Airwick digital coupon and you pay $16.97, get 3 back, making them $13.97 or $4.66 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.